Categories of hierarchy: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Categories versus hierarchy. Both those terms are associated with scientific classification of plants. Conventional taxonomic categories are abstract theoretical concept, that is kingdom, subkingdom, class, etc., to which group of plants are assigned for the purpose of classification. It is possible to classify plants on different levels, giving rise to successively higher group, that is, to a hierarchy of classification. The level at which a category stands in the hierarchy is known as its rank. Taxonomic group at any rank will be referred to as a taxa, singular taxon. Article 1.1. Article 2.1. Every individual organism is treated as belonging to an indefinite number of taxa at consecutive subordinate rank, among which the rank of species is basic. Species concept. Taxonomic species concept. Suppose population A, group of individuals growing in environment A, constituting a population. Morphological characters of A are leaves ovate, ovary superior, petals free. These are three characters always occur together and are known as correlated characters because genes controlling these characters are linked together. Population B, group of individuals growing in environment B constitute another population. Morphological characters of B are leaves linear, ovary inferior, petals united at the base. These three characters also occur together as correlated characters. Two populations growing in two environments possesses different correlated characters, and assuming that they don't have any intermediate individuals having characters of A and B, and hence they will be discontinuity of characters. Whenever two populations differ in set of correlated characters exhibit discontinuity in characters, the groups are designated as taxonomic species. If any intermediate present, both A and B should be treated as one taxonomic species. Biological species concept. It doesn't take into account morphological character. Rather, two biological properties of population or individuals are considered. Population C and population D. Character 1. Individual of different group should be interbreed among themselves. Character 2. Individual of one group shouldn't exchange gene with individual of other group. Hence, C and D are designated as biological species. Mostly, taxonomic species correspond to biological species because correlated characters are maintained by interbreeding. The principal rank of taxa is descending sequence are kingdom, division or phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Thus, each species is assignable to a genus, each genus to a family, etc. The secondary rank of taxa is descending sequence are tribe, between family and genus, section and series, between genus and species, variety and form, below species. If a greater number of ranks of taxa is desired, the prefix sub is added to term denoting the principal or secondary ranks. An organism may thus be assigned to taxa at the following rank in descending sequences: kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, subclass, order, suborder, family, tribe, and subtribe. Genus, subgenus, section, subsection, series, subseries, species, subspecies, variety, subvariety, forms, subforms. The relative order of rank specified in Article 3 and 4 must not be altered. Standard abbreviations of rank. Recommendation in Article 5A. CL for class, ORD for order, FAM for family, TR for tribe, GEN for genus, SECT for section, SER for series, SP for species, VAR for variety, and F for former. Abbreviations for additional ranks created by additional of the prefix sub should be formed by adding the prefix like subcl means subclass, subspecies as a sub-SP, but subgenus abbreviated as SUBG, not SUBGEN. Taxonomic category: kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Phycophytae, Mycophytae, Bryophytae, Tracheophytae. Division plural noun Phyta, Magnoliophyta. Subdivision Pinaceae. Classes Liliaceae. Subclasses Liliidae. Order Geraniales. Suborder Geraniales, Geranii. Family Rosaceae. Subfamily Rosaceae Rosidae. Subtribe Rutaceae Ruteni. Genus Rosa. Subgenus Ranunculus. Section Rosa canina. Subsection Rosa. Section canina. Subsection Villosi. Series Primula. Subgenus Primula. Section Primula. Series Aculi. And species Primula vulgaris. The taxonomic hierarchy below the rank of species, that is in infraspecific categories. Species, specific name equal to generic name plus specific epithet. Specific epithet can be an adjective. Villosus means hairy, Niger means black. A noun in a position, example pepo, a name for a gourd. A noun in the genitive case, example Wilsoni, genitive of Wilsonius of Wilson. Rosa villosa means hairy. Cucurbita pepo means gourd, and Styrax villosoni means Wilson styrax, an ornamental shrub. Subspecies, specific name, subspecific epithet. Silence Diocea, subspecies Zetlandica, Shetland red campaign. Varieties, specific name plus varietal epithet. Salix repens, variety Fusuca. Subvariety, specific name plus formal epithet. Fagus salvatica, Cucurcifolia. Subforma, species name plus subformal epithet. Saxifraga, Adjun, subforma circulosa. Taxa of successively higher rank contains successively more members. Order Primulae, family Primulaceae, tribe Primulaceae, genus Primula, species Primula vulgaris, many individual plants. This is the members of taxa having more features. Use of taxonomic hierarchy. According to our needs, we must discuss group of plants at most appropriate level. The agronomists discuss pasture may refer to legume and their use in nitrifying the soil. Hence, they are referring to a group on the family level, the family Leguminosae. The farmer may discuss wheat and their different properties and yield. Here, he is discussing a unit on the specific level, the species Triticum aestivum. The botanist studying plant distribution may wish to refer to the different habitat preference of various subspecies within a species, and he need to focus on units of as subspecific level. Thank you.